What's up, internet marketers? It's Ike Paul from internetmarketinggym.com. Today, I'm going to give you a free video editor. So check this out. Okay, so Shotcut is a completely open source, meaning free video editor, okay? There's a lot of things you can do with it, just like any other video editor. So I'm going to show you what that is now. You download it, you open it up, okay? Now, what a video editor can do, it can add text, it can do all kinds of things, but the most basic thing that it does is put different videos together, right? You want to put in intros with your maybe your cell phone, your smartphone video. Maybe you want to put your screen recording with your cell phone video, vice versa. So this is a good thing. This is a good free tool for that. Okay, simple as that. Okay, so first thing, you open up your Shotcut, and first thing you want to do is click timeline. Okay, so first thing you want to do. Most, if not all, video editors use a timeline. Okay, it's very basic to understand, and this is where you have the videos separated, and when you export them or finally produce them, they're going to be put together. Okay, so I clicked what timeline. First thing you want to do, second thing you want to do is add video track. So that's V1, video track 1, and let's do another one, video track 2. Okay, simple as that. So we have 2 video tracks here. Okay, now you go in the open file. Okay, I'm doing this off the cuff. Okay, so I'm gonna pick 2 videos and I'm gonna add them, right? So one by one. First this one, add this one. Okay, 1 second. Bro, be quiet. Pause that. Oh my god, look at that face. Okay, I'm gonna grab that video and drag it to V1. Look at that terrible face. Just like that. Okay, now my first video is in the timeline, which is cool. Okay, now as soon as this is done, perfect. Now that's done. Now we got V2. So I'm gonna open. I'm gonna pick another video randomly, 1,000 subscriber one. Why not? That was a really cool. Oh wait, gotta shut this guy up. Yeah, look at that. He's a sleeping panda. Okay, now same thing. You drop. I'm gonna put it towards the end of the first one I put in there. Okay, just like that. Okay. Now check it out. In the timeline, I got my V1. That's the first one with the ugly face you saw, and then my panda video is at the very end of the V1, right? So they're right there. They're separate, but you can see them on the timeline. Okay. Now I can just produce this now and put them and smush them together and have one continuously long video. But let's say, for example, you want to cut something out. So let's say you want to cut the end of V1 of the first video. Okay, simple stuff here. You're gonna take this little triangle line thingy, drag it over. There you go. Drag it over. What was that? Oh no. Drag it over. Okay. Okay, so let's say I want to cut. Let's say I want to cut right here. Okay, I want to cut here and I want to bring this over to here. So first thing I want to do is click this little cut button right here. Okay, first thing you want to do actually is click the video within that timeline. So V1. Okay, then you click the split at playhead. Boom, just like that. And that's gonna cut that video right there. Okay, we're not done. Then you want to click on this cut video right here, and you're going to click this minus button. Just like that. But no, now we have a separation here, you see? the video 1 is still here, and V2 is still here. So you're gonna go to V2, grab it just with your mouse, and just drag it on over to the end of V1. Now that we're done, there's other things you can do, text and adding different effects and whatnot, and you can find that on YouTube. I'll probably make more videos on that, but I just want to give you the basics. A free, powerful, easy to use open source video editor. Okay, so now that you're done, let's say you're done, you got 2 videos, you want to put them together. Okay, you're gonna click export. Boom. Okay, now I think these presets are pretty cool. Make sure we have the same ones. So from timeline, yes, check. MP4, yes, we want an MP4. 1920 by 1080, yes. Progressive, very important. You don't want it to be skippy and stuff. And that's it. You export file. Name that bad boy video. So Ike's Crazy Creation. Okay, and click save. Okay, just like that, and it's gonna do its thing, and you're just off. Once it's done, you upload. Sorry, too much coffee today. So much heartburn. Anyways, once it's done, you upload it to YouTube, you upload it to your Facebook, whatever. And there's other tutorials on YouTube. Not click, but write out shotcut text, for example. Shotcut overlays, for example. Shotcut editing, for example. And you'll find a ton of stuff. I hope you use this. Make sure that you do make videos in whatever niche you're in. It really is a great way to get traffic. Videos, I mean. It's a great way to get traffic. It's a great way to engage with your audience. People do respond to videos. What the hell is that, an airplane? Anyways, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Come back for more Internet Marketing Gym, where I'll teach you how to market your ideas, your passion online, so that you can help people and profit at the same time. Okay? So thank you very much. Again, how many times have I thanked you already? Anyways, talk to you later. Bye-bye.